ANewR, Everyday Newer. How to get on track in transforming construction with global responsibility. Environmental good is always precious to preserve, but what does it mean in practice? As environmental impact assessment practitioners, market players still struggle with cost-effective, modernized, scientific approaches to achieving overall environmental, social, and governance (ESG) on the decarbonization roadmap. We want to help the industry comprehend the ESG implications and the latest digitalization development reaching eco goals. Where do we start? Let's begin with the market. According to Future of Construction, a global forecast for construction to 2030, global construction output is foreseen to rise by 6.6% in 2021. Government stimuli and residential demands will increase construction by 42% by 2030. What this sector growth implies is a greater risk of pollution and waste. The current 40% of the world's global greenhouse gas emissions from the construction sector have covered a wider environment, the construction supply chain. The roadmap is the decarbonization journey requiring a lot of footsteps to achieve. Each footprint is associated with stakeholders' enactment. Stakeholder groups in construction sector are the project sponsor, contractors and subcontractors, materials suppliers, designers, employees, the authorities, professional bodies, communities, end users, etc. Why is supply chain important in decarbonization? In the construction sector, from raw materials to steelworks and concrete production, the suppliers may not be listed companies, but they are in the supply chain affecting ESG performance. Each company has their carbon footprint. So have their suppliers. Let's take building materials companies' ESG risks as examples. S&P Global Ratings unveil building materials companies consume substantial fuels for production, resulting in greenhouse emissions and other kinds of pollution. Next episode, we will dive into how we can transform businesses with global responsibility. ANewR Consulting Limited, a digital environmental consultant headquartered in Hong Kong since 2008. Our expertise has grown into the context of air and water qualities, noise, green building, waste management, and remediation. Standing in the digital transformation reign, ANewR has participated in various environmental digital projects, interactive 3D visualization, immersive automation virtual environment, virtual reality, automation system, and monitoring platforms.